Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So it is that time again. We're going to find a product to feature from this BoxyCharm box. I ordered this in 2 parts. So anyway, if you'd like to see what we're going to use and feature in this box, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing I do is moisturize my lips. Alright, as usual, I'm getting ready for work. We're going to go ahead and open this and see what I can feature today. Usually go back and forth, but my goal is always put out as many videos as I can when I'm able to. I'll just stick with that. Okay, first thing I pick up is 24 karat gold mud mask. Let's take a peek. Alright, got the little label off and I can already tell it is gold. Definitely have to give that a try. Very light scent. There you go. It looks almost like a highlighter. Like one of those liquid highlighters. Alright, let's see. Next we pick up the Sweet Street Candy Paint Lip Gloss. Alright, let's open this and see. Okay, that's pretty. Like a nudie blush color. Alright, put that to the side. Next, let's go with this Seal It Ace Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. If you're one of us that has a subscription, I still say BoxyCharm, then you're very familiar with Ace Beauty. Ace Beauty has contributed quite a few eyeshadow palettes. I don't think I've gotten anything else outside of eyeshadow palettes from them. So this would be definitely very interesting to see how that works. All right, next we have Moon Dew Retinol Eye Cream. We love skincare over here. Love the lavender shade. Very, very cute. In my opinion, they could have put some more product in there. There's none in the top, but you can see it's barely filled up. Like, if I was purchasing this, I probably would be upset. You know, there's a lot of companies that are doing that, not putting the full amount of product in, you know, in the packaging. It's crazy. All right, guys, so we're just going to read a few ingredients. All right, so as I mentioned before, first ingredient was aqua. Alright, so here's aqua. Aqua is a universal solvent in cosmetics and can be combined with thick ingredients like oils and butters to form lotions and creams. In skincare, aqua dissolves thicker ingredients and facilitates the making of lighter products that spread evenly and can be rinsed off with water. It can be found in a range of kinds of skincare products like lotions and moisturizers, cleansing products, and bath products. Instead of leaving the skin feeling dry or chapped, aqua helps the skin feel hydrated and nourished. Aqua occurs naturally on the Earth's surface and is made by 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom joining together to form a molecule, H2O. In cosmetics and skincare, only distilled or deionized water is used, which is a highly purified variant of water. The second ingredient is alcohol denate. Okay, what it does: antimicrobial, antibacterial solvent, viscosity controlling astringent. It's a super common and super debated skincare ingredient. It has several benefits. Great solvent penetration enhancer, creates cosmetically elegant light formulas, great astringent and antimicrobial. It can be very drying if it's in the first few ingredients on an ingredient list, which it is. This is the second item, and I'm just reading from Google. I'm not reading, you know, directly from the product's website. Some experts even think that regular exposure to alcohol damages skin barrier and causes inflammation. though it's a debated opinion. So you guys let me know what you think. I think this ingredient, I mean, it goes both ways. It has some benefits and some downplays. If you're someone that is into skincare, I feel if you take care of your skin, you know, do whatever your skincare routine is, you'll be fine. It's not like you're putting straight alcohol on your skin. Of course, there are several other ingredients we won't get into right now, but I did want to kind of pinpoint the first couple of ingredients, which we did. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm filming this in 2 days just because I really wanted to get a true feel for how the product lasted the entire day. All right, I'm back. Makeup is done. Got my fan ready. Value on this is $28. You get 3.5 ounces. Setting spray, what it does, ready to seal the deal. This weightless setting spray is here to keep your look on lock from sun up to sundown. The refreshing formula won't make you feel sticky, which we all know if we've used setting spray, that little sticky feeling, don't like that. It just delivers a perfect finish that lasts all day. How to use, obviously. Hold the spray about 6 to 8 inches from you. Let's go ahead and open this. Seal it. Let's go ahead and open it. And I got a couple more minutes before I need to leave. So, all right, so I'm gonna open it and just smell it. Light fragrance. All right, I got my fan here ready. Let's get some squirts ready. I'm just spraying here over my trash can. Push my hair back a little bit. All right, and let's go in. Whew. That feels really refreshing. Not an overly alcohol feeling. You know, some setting sprays you put on and it kind of takes the wind out of you because the alcohol smell is so strong. I'm not getting that from this. And when I spray, I like to make sure I get all of this. I like to get my ears as well because, you know, we put makeup there as well. And I just don't like that transfer on my phone when I'm on the phone, and then plus at work I'm on the phone as well, so I want to make sure I set that area as well. When you guys use setting spray, do you only go in one time or do you go in several times? What do you guys do? Okay, we're just going to make sure that's dried down really good. Got a couple minutes before I need to leave. Pretty much kept my makeup on probably until 10 o'clock last night. It lasted the entire day. The only thing I can say, it's hard to avoid the nose area, you know, if you wear eyeglasses. So anyway, aside from that, I really did like the product. Now, I'm not going to say it's the best setting spray I've tried. So in my opinion, the best setting spray that I've tried, and you can put this over any foundation and it will completely transfer proof, waterproof, and that's the Ben Nye Final Seal. Final Seal is top notch, the best in my opinion from all the sprays, all the setting sprays that I've tried, and I've tried a few, and that one's at the top of my list. All right, guys, so that is it on this product. So thank you guys for joining me. Of course, if you're not, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup on TikTok and Instagram. My second handle on TikTok is _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.